for something that is aluminum, it sure is heavy. Every day I'm reminded. Every day. You know that?
Hmm.
You know that?
Yeah, I don't know that. You're reminded as to why nobody wants to work on this van.
If somebody ever came up to me and says, "You want to work on a van?" I go, "What? Head gasket." And I said, "Nope." Why not? Because there ain't enough money in the world to make me go through this again. What am I caught on? What am I caught on? That's
This. Uh, you want me to go around front and try to grab it?
every day I'm reminded. What the heck is this?
Do you want me to go around front?
Hold on. Let me think. Let me think before I get my gun and shoot this thing between the its headlights. Because this SOB has been fighting me every minute of this.
Taking it apart. Putting it back together.
You wanted this, not me.
We needed the truck.
It's gotta go buy one.
Yeah, with what money?
How else do everybody else buy it? With somebody else's money. Then they spend 5 years paying double for that stupid truck.
And in some ways, we ain't no Donald Trump. We ain't no Mr. Millionaire.
I ain't worried about Mr. Millionaire.
Watch, you're gonna be you're hitting up
Yeah,
here.
but there we go. Come. Get in there. Some days it's not worth getting out of bed.
You said a mouthful.
And that, folks, is how you do it. All right, folks, there it is. The intake is in, upper intake, lower intake's in, and the coil, ignition coil, which is, why is this thing not focusing? There it is. So all we got to do is put on the cap, put on the distributor.
Throttle body.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh yeah, the throttle body, and connect the spark plug wires.
And the alternator, the radiator, the fan.
The alternator, the fan, the radiator. Fill it up with water.
And start her up for the first time in 12 years.
First time in 12 years. Has it been that long? 12 years?
12 years.
Oh well. Oh yeah, that's when your sister was graduating. We got off the turnpike.
This thing hasn't ran since June of 2012.
Was it 12 then when she graduated?
2012.
When she graduated?
Uh-huh.
Wow. That long, folks. Oh well, 12.
12. Okay, 6 years. I'm sorry, not 12, 6 years.
Well, gonna be 7.
Yeah, as of next year.
Yeah, next year. Oh well. I rant and raved about this, but I never thought I would see that it's this close. So, we'll see what happens. Okay. We're cold. We're hungry. Later.